A great web browser with useful features for free. How to install Firefox browser on Windows 10, Windows 11 or on any PC or laptop. Open Chrome or any web browser. If you don't have Chrome, type Edge here and follow these steps. I'm showing from Chrome. Type Firefox in Google and hit enter. Then go to this Mozilla Firefox site. You can scroll down and see the features if you want. To download Firefox on Windows 10 or Windows 11, come to this section. Click on Download Firefox. Your download should start automatically. When it's done, click on Firefox download file. Then you get this prompt. Click on Yes to install Firefox browser. It starts the installation process. After a few seconds, Firefox browser opens up and it gives these options. If you want to set Firefox as default browser and to import your bookmarks from the previous browser, choose the browser which has your data, then click on Next. Then it says browsing history and bookmarks were successfully imported. Click on Next. Then Firefox opens up. I'm skipping this step. Then click on Start Browsing. That's how you download Firefox, install Firefox. If this video was helpful or you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.